Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. A lot of you guys have been coming to me saying that you're not able to find phones. I've been having a lot of slow days, and definitely that is part of the industry, but there's a couple things you guys can be doing to kind of revamp your slow days and kind of make them non-existent. So with that said, that's what I'm going to be talking about, so let's get into the video. So obviously, before I get into it, if you're new here, definitely hit that little subscription button down below. And if you find value in the video, definitely give it a thumbs up. It shows me you guys like these videos. And if you have any video ideas or any questions you may have, leave a comment down below. But with that said, the first thing to do if business is slow, and this is a pretty cool trick that I have not talked about on my YouTube channel before, but is actually when you're going out and posting ads, obviously you're putting like certain zip codes, most likely the zip code that you live in or like the zip code that you're going to be buying phones in that day. So if business is slow, people just aren't coming to you with the ads you put out. You're just not getting traction, just people aren't messaging you or anything like that. One tip that I have for you guys is go on Google Maps and look at the surrounding zip codes. Try different zip codes for your actual listings, whether it's on Craigslist, OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace. They all require a zip code, so obviously they're going to be posted in that kind of town, and people in certain towns, even if they're a couple miles away, might not see your ad because they're looking in a certain zip code. So if you put 5-10 ads on Craigslist, each with a different zip code, all within like probably I'd say 15 to 20 mile radius, I guarantee you're going to start to see a lot more traction because your ads will start to be popping up in a lot more different locations, which is a pretty cool technique. It's something that I just recently have started to implement into my phone flipping strategy, and then I can guarantee it will work for you. I don't know necessarily, I can't guarantee that you're going to buy more phones, but there will definitely be an exponentially more amount of people that will be coming to you with phones. And obviously if they come to us, it's a lot better than us going out there and finding phones. But that brings me to my second point, and if that isn't really working for you, I'd go ahead and actually go out and find phones. For me, it's something I truly like to do. Again, it's a little bit harder to leverage deals with, but I'd say 1 out of like every 15 to 20 people that you message, you're probably going to end up with a deal and able to buy that phone and make a profit on it. And that's, again, just simply going out there looking on these apps like Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, Letgo, Craigslist, literally going out there and searching for the phone. Actually, you messaging the person first. I know we always preach in this industry that you should have people come to you because that means you're leveraging the fact that they need the cash. With that said, people that are going out there and selling it, some are still have that mentality that they're just looking for cash. They're just smart enough to go out and put it out there, but it's definitely a strategy you guys should start to implement. It's kind of like a two-strike, like one, people aren't messaging you, and two, like you're just not getting like traction with that different zip code kind of strategy. Definitely give it a try. It's definitely something that has worked for me, and sometimes I even do that before actually going out and putting different zip codes with different ads. It's something that I really like, and I guarantee you guys will like actually find some value in it. So the third tip, and something, this is kind of, if you get to this point, it just means you're probably just having some bad luck, or your ads are getting taken down, they're getting flagged by competition, you can't find the right algorithm to have ads stick, and there's just maybe not enough people that are looking to sell their phones that day. And that is what you guys could potentially do this, and it's something I've done a couple times. I'm not going to say it's the most effective thing, but that's why it is my third and final strategy. But that's going and messaging people you've previously sold phones for and literally asking them if they're looking to buy or sell any more phones. And yes, this is kind of like a desperate approach. You're obviously going out there seeing, most likely 99% of the time, they won't have any phones to sell you, because most people are just kind of one and done. They sell the phone. But sometimes you don't recognize that some of these people have like entire families that they're looking to sell phones for. And if you're able to actually go out and buy a phone from them and leverage a deal, obviously we're lowballing, so if they're able to take a lowball offer on a phone, most likely they'll be able to take a lowball on a different phone. Maybe it's the same phone, maybe it's different phones, whatever it may be. Some people are just do phones in bulk. I don't really know what they do, but it's definitely something that could create traction for you guys. It's more of a creative way that I kind of thought about a couple weeks ago, and I tried a couple times. I think I bought 2 phones in that strategy. So definitely give it a try, and let me know what you guys think. If you guys have not tried any of these strategies, I definitely like that's why I created this video. I wanted you guys to have a fresh perspective on the phone flipping industry, stuff other people on YouTube in terms of those in the phone flipping industry don't really talk about. Have a unique video. That's why I brought you this channel. So let me know if you guys are able to implement these strategies. Let me know if it works. Let me know if it doesn't, because obviously I'm tweaking my strategy. Things that work for me might not work for you, and things that work for you might not work for me. So if you have any other cool strategies and you stayed around to this part of the video, you made it to the end, I really appreciate the support, one. But two, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any other strategies, also let me know. I'm obviously here to learn too with you guys. So again, if you're not in the family, hit that little subscription button down below. And if you're not in the phone flipping Facebook group, it is the second link down below. Free to join. We almost have 250 members, probably the fastest growing phone flipping Facebook group out there. So definitely give it a follow. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next video.